Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about a camera that just dropped and has already sparked a lot of conversation, the Sony RX1R III. It's compact, it's full frame, and it costs massive, $5,098. That's almost double the current price of the older RX1R II, which came out all the way back in 2015. So the big question is, what justifies this price tag? Let's break it down. The RX1 series has always been special. Back in 2015, the RX1R II gave us something rare, a full-frame sensor in a pocket-sized body paired with legendary Zeiss 35mm f2 Sony lens. Even today, that camera holds up. It's still selling for $2,759, near a decade later. But now, Sony has introduced RX1R III. It's not just refresh, it's a serious update in terms of performance, image quality, and internal hardware. So what's actually new with the RX1R III? A brand new 61 megapixel full-frame sensor, same resolution as the A7R5, which means ultra-high details, improved autofocus speed and accuracy using Sony's latest algorithms. A fast BIONZ XR processor, the same chip powering Sony's top-tier alpha cameras. Dual native ISO for cleaner low-light performance. Better thermal management to reduce overheating. But here is something important. No flip screen. It's still fixed display, which might disappoint vloggers or solo shooters. So, $5,098. Why does it cost that much? Well, Sony isn't just selling specs, they are selling luxury. The RX1R III is for people who want full-frame performance in the smallest, most elegant package possible. The Zeiss Sony 35mm f2 lens alone would cost you close to $1,000 if sold separately. Add in 61 megapixel sensor, pro-grade internals, magnesium alloy body, and this level of engineering, and you start to understand the price. But let's be honest, it's still tough sell for most creators. Who this camera is? This isn't camera for everyone. It's not for vloggers. It's not for people who want interchangeable lenses or long zoom. But if you are a street photographer, a travel minimalist, or working pro who want discrete, cinematic quality in compact form, this might be your dream tool. You get Leica Q3 level quality, but in Sony's words. Fast autofocus, better color science, and more reliable performance. So let's quickly compare it with the RX1R II from 2015. RX1R II, 42 megapixel, older processor, slower EF, no 10-bit color, weaker heat control. RX1 III, 61 megapixel sensor, fast BIONZ XR chip, better ISO, better EF, better handling. But is that worth almost double the price in 2025? That's up to the buyer. If you already own RX1R II, you are not getting revolution, you are getting refinement. For new users thought the RX1R III might be the better long-term investment. So, Sony RX1R III, is it worth $5,098? For most creators, probably. For a small group of photographers who want the best full-frame image quality in the smallest possible body, maybe. What do you think? Overpriced or underrated? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. More camera content coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.